Hello everyone, Mark here, and in today's video I just want to do a quick channel update as well as wishing you all a Merry Christmas. So happy Christmas guys. I hope you and your family have a great one and a great New Year's as well. I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone for all your support over the year. I've really enjoyed doing my channel, sharing my RC hobby with you guys, because at the end of the day the RC hobby is all about having fun and sharing it with like-minded people. So thank you so much guys, I appreciate all your support and I really enjoy talking to every single one of you. Now I just wanted to do a quick update. As you can see, my Euro racing truck is totally finished. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this build. Don't worry, there's 2 more videos coming up showing you how I completed the actual build itself. The first video will be showing you how I finished the chassis, and then the next video will be showing you step by step how I finished my body shell and stickers, etc. Now I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this build. It's been a pleasure throughout, to be honest, and I just love the finished truck. It looks so good. I can't wait to actually take this out and get it racing. I've also fitted some of my custom light setups. I might put a little picture in one of the corners, or I might make you wait until I do the video and then I'll show you exactly how everything looks lit up. It does look really cool, and as you can see there, I've got a custom LCD or LED board, light board there. And that's programmable, so I can have that saying whatever I want. So yeah, really excited to share the rest of it with you. I've also got a few updates coming on my MarcRCAddict 4x4 BLX. This thing is working perfectly now. The electric speaking control has been changed. It works flawlessly, and I'm having a lot of fun with this, and I'm going to be sharing some of that with you after the New Year's as well. I'm going to basically have 2 weeks off, just enjoy the Christmas holidays with my family. After the New Year's I'll be back and I'll start putting some more videos up. I've also got some videos coming on my DJI Spark, as well as some updates as well, because I know the Mavic Mini is out, but I'm not too sure whether I'm going to bother getting it, because the Spark still does everything that I want a drone to do. I've obviously got all of my other little drones and stuff like that, but for photography, videography, stuff like that, the Spark just does everything that I need it to do. I can take some beautiful pictures, as you can see up there, with my Spark, so I'm more than happy with it. But I quite like the look of the Mavic Mini, so we're going to see what the future holds for that one. I've also got a little FTX Outback 2 here. This is the mini version. Did a custom body shell on it, giving it a nice worn look, so I'm going to do a few videos on that, as well as a few other bits and bobs as well. I've got some great RC car stands. These things are dirt cheap and they just really make my life a lot easier, and I highly recommend them. I'm going to do a couple of videos on those, and obviously I've got a lot more models that you guys don't see, so I'm going to start sharing some of those with you as well as doing a lot more to my truck. Although my truck is totally finished, the chassis, obviously I can upgrade it to the max if I want, so I've got loads of upgrades coming, and I've also got quite a few, so I'm going to be fitting those to the chassis. But I'm also going to be turning this truck into a touring car, as well as a drift car as well, so I'm going to be sharing those projects with you. Really excited. So that is it for me guys. I just want to keep this video short and sweet, and like I say, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. So happy Christmas again guys. I hope you and your family have a fantastic time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Happy RCing. Bye bye.